Well, hello there, everyone, and good evening. I'm William Brantley from the North Jackson, Tennessee area near Union University, ready to give you today's climate summary and a forecast for the next 9 days. Today is Thursday, January the 5th, 2017. At 5 p.m., the skies were cloudy. The temperature was a chilly 28 degrees. The wind chill was 21 degrees. The dew point was 20 degrees. The relative humidity was 72%. We had north winds at 14 miles per hour, and the barometric pressure was sitting at 30.03 inches of mercury. Today's low temperature so far has been 25 degrees. Today's high was only 31 degrees, but was not a record coldest high, which is 23 degrees back in 1959, but still mighty cold nevertheless. Normal low would be 29, normal high would be 48. We've had no precipitation today, of course, at least not yet, and probably none until early tomorrow morning, and that may be in the form of snow. Kind of give you a few hints on the forecast there. Otherwise, today's lowest relative humidity was 61%, and that was at 12 noon. The highest was 72%, and that was just at 5 o'clock this afternoon, 5 p.m. The highest wind gust today so far has been out of the north at 17 miles per hour, and that occurred at 4:21 p.m. And the coldest wind chill so far has been 20 degrees, and that was at 5 p.m. The sun will be rising tomorrow morning at 7:05 and be setting tomorrow evening at 4:57 p.m. The moon will be rising tomorrow afternoon at 12:23 p.m. and be setting early Saturday morning on the 7th at 12:31 a.m. Today's records for January 5th would be 72 degrees for the hottest high, and that was in 1956 when that happened. Like I mentioned earlier, the coldest high would be 23 in 1959. 57 would be the warmest low in 1955, and the coldest low would be 4 degrees in 1959. And in 2007, we had a record rainfall amount of 1.65 inches. Snowfall record for today, January the 5th, was 6 inches. yes, everybody, we had six inches of snow, if I can get that out. In 1960, January 5th, 1960, 6 inches of snow. That's a pretty good amount of snow around here. Alrighty, on to the forecast for tonight. It's going to be mostly cloudy, of course, on into tomorrow, for that matter. And between about 3 a.m. till around 9 a.m. or so, we do have about a 40% chance for some light snow to be falling in the Jackson area and right near the I-40 corridor of West Tennessee. Accumulations probably from anywhere from a dusting or traced or dusting or to maybe up to 1 inch is the thinking right now for accumulations. And most of that's going to be kind of right along the I-40 corridor probably, or a little to our south toward Mississippi. The low tomorrow morning should be a cold 20 degrees. Tomorrow's high is only going to make it up to 25 degrees, so it's going to be a cold day no matter what. With north winds at 10 to 20, so the wind chills will be in the teens most of the day tomorrow probably. And by the way, there is a winter weather advisory for parts of West Tennessee from I believe 3 a.m. tomorrow morning till 6 p.m. tomorrow night. I believe it involves Tipton, Haywood, Madison, Shelby, Fayette, and Hardeman counties. Well, the counties included at this time. It may include more counties later on, but that's so far as of about an hour ago when they issued that winter weather advisory. Alrighty, Beyond that, it looks like it's going to be Saturday. It's going to be clearing up, becoming mostly fair, with the low near 13 degrees Saturday morning. It's going to be really chilly, with a high of 29, with north winds at 10 to 20. On Sunday, it's going to be fair skies, with a low near 15 and a high of 37, with east winds at 5 to 10. Monday, looks like it's going to be fair skies during the day, becoming cloudy by Monday night, with a low near 23 and a high of 46, with south winds at 10 to 20. Next Tuesday, it's going to be cloudy, with some thunderstorms possible by Tuesday night. I don't have 60% chance. There it is. I was trying to find a chance for precipitation on Tuesday. I finally found it. 60% chance of rain on Tuesday. Cloudy skies, a 60% chance for rain, and thunderstorms are possible by Tuesday night. That's what I was trying to get out. All right, the low should be about 40, and the high should be about 59, and we should have south winds at 15 to 30. Like I get my eyes to moving. No, I'm just kidding. On Wednesday, it's going to be fair skies with low near 43 and a high of 54, with northwest winds at 10 to 20. And on Thursday, it's going to be mostly cloudy, with 60% chance for more rain, with becoming fair skies though by Thursday night, with a low near 46 and a high of 64, with south winds at 10 to 20. And by next Friday week, the 13th of January, we're going to have fair skies during the day, becoming cloudy by Friday night, with a low near 46 and a high of 58, with southeast winds at 10 to 20. And next Saturday week, the 14th of January, we got a 60% chance for rain, with a low near 49 and a high of 62, with south winds at 10 to 20. And that's a look at your forecast for the next 9 days. So I guess just be careful tonight, just in case some of that snow may develop a little more intense than what is expected. But right now it does look like it's going to come down, but it's going to come down kind of quick, like I'd say within 2 to 4 hours. Once it starts, it'll be gone in about 4 hours or 5 hours maximum. Even though the advisory is good until 6 p.m., but just because the advisory is all the way to 6 p.m. doesn't mean it's going to snow all the way to 6 p.m. necessarily. But the snow should end before noon tomorrow, in most parts of West Tennessee at least. Well, alrighty. That's it for tonight. Don't be too surprised now if we don't get any snow at all. That's even a possibility too. That's why the chances is really about 40%. But odds are looking better for some snow. Okay. That's it for tonight. I hope everybody has a pleasant Thursday night. I hope you wake up to a beautiful Friday, January the 6th, regardless of the weather. And I hope to have an update for you again tomorrow evening. And until then, good night, my friends, and God bless.